Hello guys, how's it going? Alex Grumpy on here. I hope you're well. Today we've got a quick video on the Audi TT Mark III 2-litre TDI. This is going to be similar on a lot of models, to be honest, on most of our group cars. Today we're only doing a pollen filter replacement. So this is nice and easy. It's inside the car obviously, and this is part of my full service video. So if you want to watch the full service video, do check it in my playlist. It will be there. Just take you through all the steps, but this is just a separate one if you just want to replace your pollen filter for any reason. So yeah, let's get started. Right guys, for the pollen filter, it is located in the glove box in this model Mark III. So here we got the new pollen filter. The part number is here as well if you're after this one. So ADV182526. So this is nice and easy. Literally just open your glove box, and it's located behind the cover. So if you shine there, you can see the cover under the CD player. You literally just pull it off. It just comes off nice and easy. And if you look in there, that's the cover they need to remove now to get the pollen filter out. It's just grab the bit in the middle. I'm struggling to get the light in there. Let me just see if I can locate the light properly. Yep, that's better. So just grab hold of that. There's a little tab at the top that I can't really show you. You can get a screwdriver literally there on top. You just push it down and that opens up. So get the cover off and then just get the pollen filter out of there. Notice the direction of the flow downwards. So get the pollen filter out. This one, to be honest, doesn't look too bad. No, it's a bit dirty. And obviously the same way, there's the flow on this one. Just get it back in there, put the cover back on, and you're all good. So again, new filter is in. Get the cover back in there. It only goes in one way, so you can't get it wrong. Clip the bottom bits in first in the correct location, and just clip the top bit, and it stays on there. And then obviously just don't forget to put the other cover back on. It slides into the side and then clips in.